In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create podcasts with multiple speakers in CloneVoice or AI. So the podcast feature is under my podcast section in the CloneVoice application. So when you go in there, you're going to land on a page that looks like this, my podcast. So what you're going to create is use the create new podcast button right here, as you can see. So let's click on that. And now here is where you can start creating your podcast. All right. So there's multiple ways to do it. So let me explain how this works. So first of all, you can pick the language. Right now, it only supports English. Second, and we do intend to support multiple languages in the future. So right now it's English only. Second is website URL. The idea with the website URL is we can get information from a website to craft the podcast according to that personalization of that website. Say, for example, I'm dealing with the benefits or not so many benefits, right? The harm that sugar would cause for diabetes and other stuff, right? Sugar consumption for your health. So the idea is, let's say we're doing it for a nutritionist, right? So a nutritionist would want to promote their business and how they consult to give meal plans for not consuming enough sugar in the meal plan, let's say, right? So then you would give the URL of the nutritionist company. It'll be like, let's say, Jane's Nutrition Company. Then it's going to say, okay, Jane's Nutrition Company has been talking about the harm that sugar causes for a while now. You get the idea. So the way this will work is you can put the URL for specific brands, businesses, let's say supplements or whatever you wanted to talk about. And then you're going to speaker one and speaker two. So speaker one, let's say I'm going to be my voice. I'll go to system clone and then my voice. Here, Paul excited. And then speaker two, I'm going to go into again, designed voice. So you can see how you can mix and match. And then I'm going to basically do the news reporter voice, or I can even do a news reporter British. Okay, so with a British accent. Okay, so I'm gonna put my voice Paul, and then let's say speaker name is, I'll put it James. Okay, so just to recap what I just did so far, I chose language as English, speaker as my voice, my clone voice, and then this was a designed voice which came from this voice maker, where I used a professional voice maker and I made it from a prompt. I generated that voice and assertive British accent news reporter, and then I gave that news reporter the name James. Okay, you can put any name you want because that's what the back and forth will be about. And then my name Paul here, and then we can talk about topic. Okay, so it can be about anything. So let's say, for example, the topic is the harm sugar causes to your health, let's say. Okay, so then click create new podcast, and then it will do its thing, and it's going to start generating the script, the topics, and also it's going to have a two-way conversation. Okay, so meaning, hey, what do you think about this? Hey, what do you think about that sort of thing. As you can see here, I have see Paul excited, and then we have the news reporter British, and that sort of thing, right? So we're basically speaking with each other, and then you can add things, you can make some edits here and that sort of thing if you're not happy with something, because the block system makes it super easy for you to make those changes, as you can see. And once you're happy, you just click on generate podcast. Okay, once you do so, the podcast will basically let me show you right now. It will appear like so. See the sweet truth, unpacking sugar's impact on health. Let's play it. Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today, James, we're tackling a topic that's probably in almost everyone's pantry, fridge, or even their morning coffee right now. It's pervasive, it's delicious, and it's sugar. Paul, it's funny because when you say sugar, most people immediately think of candy bars, sodas, or maybe a big slice of cake. But honestly, it's so much more insidious than that. It's hiding in places we'd never even expect, and its impact on our health is, frankly, pretty profound. Very cool, right? So It has a two-way discussion, so you can download it and that sort of thing. The other beautiful part is the merger. So you can even merge multiple podcasts together, for example, if that's what you want to do, using the merger, just as with any other My Audio tab that you have. Okay. That's how easy podcasts are to create. I mean, so straightforward, and you can start creating it right now. Hope you enjoy this video. Looking forward to seeing you in the other tutorial.